Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this smartphone. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Additional Settings. Following that, select one-handed mode and click on this gray sweater in order to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of navigation panel. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can go back by tapping over here or swiping up. If you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same now blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!